Hey natural ladies, so today as you can see from the title we're going to be blow drying my hair. So my hair is already sectioned off into twists and I'm just going to separate the twists and do one side at a time. So I'm dousing my hair down with my 360 spray bottle. There's warm water in there so to make my hair easy to maneuver. Then I'm going to use my paddle brush to detangle, even though my hair is pretty much detangled already, but just to make sure there's no tangles left. Then I'm going to use my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant so I don't get any heat damage. Then I'm going to use my powder brush again to get that evenly distributed through my hair. The blow dry I'm going to be used is the Baby Bliss Pro Titanium Extreme. I'm going to start off drying my hair by using the tension method because I find that cuts down on the amount of time that you have to use the extra direct heat with pulling the powder brush down your hair with the blow dryer in front of it like this. So if I start with tension method, I don't have to do this as long when my hair is like extra wet. So yeah. And you want to get your hair straight as possible with the blow dryer so you don't have as much work to do with the flat iron because that is really extra direct heat. So you want to try to get it as straight as possible now so the flat ironing part will be a breeze. And right now I'm trying to make sure I get my roots because, yeah, I want those to be straight, child. Yes, I'm already tired, and yes, I only did half of one section. My hair is definitely a job, but I'm just going to do the same steps that I did at the beginning, so I'm not going to talk you guys through that again. I'll let you guys listen to a little bit of tunes. I almost forgot my freaking heat protectant. Whatever you do, don't forget your heat protectant. It's the most important part other than detangling. Oh my gosh. Okay, now back to your regular scheduled program. Sorry about the static that you can hear. My laptop is overheating as always. For some reason, I always forget to bring a hair clip when I'm doing these videos so I can look more professional. But yeah, so I'm just going to hold it in my mouth to hold that piece of hair out of the way. One full section finished. Finally, My hair is separated into 4 sections. So yes, this is the first section. Now I'm about to use this Palmer's Coconut Oil Hair Polisher Serum to add some shine and a little bit more moisture to my hair. And I'm rubbing it from root to tip to get it on there. And now I'm about to use the powder brush to distribute it evenly. Sorry about the way I sound. My cold got worse within a day. But anyways, right now I'm doing like a little lymph check for you guys before my ends get clipped. And this is the next day. I got really tired last night, so I left one little section. I finished the rest of my hair, then I left this one section so I could come back on here to, just end it for you guys for some, extra dramatization. I am literally about to follow the exact same steps that I did in the beginning, so I'm not going to talk you guys through it again. I'll let you guys just watch. Now I'm just making sure all my hair is straight since, last night I had it up in a ponytail. So now I'm just going over it again with the blow dryer. I was definitely burning up hot. Like, I was so hot. Now I'm about to use the Eon Moisture Boost Serum. I know like some people be scared of weighing their hair down, but my hair is so freaking thick that I'm scared of my hair being extra dry. So I wasn't really worried about like weighing it down. I mean, at first I was, but I was like, no, you need to add some moisture, sis. So yeah. But get ready for this next clip because I'm definitely feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. And make sure you stay tuned to see what came next when I actually flat iron my hair.